Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily use Gemini on Google Pixel 11. So first, if you hold your power button, you should be able to see AI enabling. So AI is now enabled. As you guys can see, we got our Gemini. And of course, we are basically talking to him right now, but he's not replying because we are still talking and still talking. So let me just leave the AI. What are we gonna do next? Yes, we're gonna hold our button right here. As you guys can see here, we can ask something about our screen, for example. We can do just that. And as you guys can see, the Ask Gemini widget on your screen will let you use AI to interact directly with your phone's contents. So here we have it. We can also use the widget, but it opens up the app. Of course, it all works. And here we can also open up the app instead of the widget, but it will basically be the same as this right here. So we can type in hello, and we get a reply from our AI assistant. Here we can run free prompts. For example, we can type in "You're a manager at a hotel. Create the best daily." And let it be the create the best daily management. So we take more profit with graphs. So that's one big bad prompt, if I'm being honest. I had no idea what to put here, but we got our daily operational schedule. So what are we gonna do? There are some key action items and profit impact. Also, it is basically going and project stuff. So here we have the visual already. Now this is our ancillary revenue, OTA savings, and room revenue. Here we have it. Now the ADR, we can of course adjust it, and we can, for example, put the 160, and occupancy, let it be at like 70%, 61. And direct booking will of course give us some more money, so we're gonna put it at 44. And here we have the hotel revenue. Now we also get another visual like stacking efficiency dashboard, and here we have the hourly wage, and it's going from $15 to $35. Here we have the demand based, and I cannot really see it, but here we have it. We can change it. If we pay someone $35 an hour, then the daily cost will be $3,850. Also, here we can do the craft a front desk room upgrade script, or build an OTA commission savings plan, and here we can do that. As you guys can see, we got another big prompt. It works just fine, and we got it. So we can easily use AI that way. We can also show me a mathematical calculation of profit gains when shifting 20% of bookings from OTAs to their direct channels. So as you guys can see, Gemini works really great. I love using Gemini. It's definitely one of the best options, and you guys can use them a bit better because it's optimized into your phone. Hello.
Hello. How can I help you today?
And also we can talk to him with our voice. So really cool. And that's how you guys can use the Gemini on Google Pixel. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.